I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you to add windshield wiper fluid. So first you open the hood, and then on the passenger side you should see this neck. This neck leads down to a bigger reservoir that holds your wiper fluid. But to fill, you just pop this open, and then with your jug of wiper fluid, just fill as needed. You can fill pretty close to the top if you'd like. When you're done filling, just pop this closed again so nothing else falls in. And when it's full is the easiest time to check for possible leaks through the lines or the reservoir, cracks, things like that, because you would typically start to see some wiper fluid puddling under the vehicle if there is a leak. And if there is something you need to address, sometimes this can be loose from the reservoir, main reservoir as well. Just get this fitted nice and tight in there. And yeah, sometimes something could freeze, maybe make a crack somewhere in a line, or the little motor that controls it. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.